This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Low. This is the low model, so it has been lowered about 1.7 inches to the suspension and also the seat. The color of this Ultra Limited Low is charcoal denim and black denim. The bike is in like-new condition with only 2,805 original miles on the odometer. It is a Rushmore project bike, so it has the redesigned fairing, redesigned front suspension, redesigned saddlebags, and tour pack. This 2017 is equipped with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. Being a limited model, it has the ABS brakes, the security system with the 2 keys, 2 key fobs. The seat's in like-new condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts, no scuffs. The paint's in excellent condition. Chrome contrast cut wheels, front and rear. It has the redesigned fairing with the vent that helps reduce buffeting. Also has the LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. Also LED lights on the back of the tour pack. So this bike makes you very visible out on the road. Help keep you safe. Of course, it has cruise control. Hydraulic clutch. This bike shifts and runs very, very smooth and very, very strong with that new Milwaukee 8 engine in it. Comes standard with a painted inner fairing. Being the limited model, it also comes with a 6.5 inch boom stereo. It's a colored touchscreen. It's AM, FM, weather band. It has a hidden compartment to plug into your phone or iPod to interface with the stereo system that can be operated on the touch screen or through the handlebar controls. It also has GPS navigation. One of the nice options that's been added to this Ultra Limited Low is the detachable tour pack. It also has the LED saddlebag lights, which are run lights, turn and brake lights, along with the LED strip on the back of the tour pack. So in just about a minute you can unplug the tour pack, take it off the bracket. You basically have a very nice street glide. Has the luggage rack. It helps if you put it in neutral when you start it. bike, take a real good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited Low. Being lowered 1.7 inches can help folks that are a little closer to the ground flat-footed. Also lowers the center of gravity a little bit, makes it really good for handling at slow speeds. For information on how to put this beautiful 2017 Ultra Limited Low in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be also found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.